April and the Nightingale. The Emperor of China was a very proud man. He always wanted the best of everything. When the squirrel made of fine white rings, the roof was solid gold. The garden was full of bright flowers with silver bells. They tinkle in the wind, music to my ear. The garden was very big. It was so big that even the emperor never saw it all. He never would show the little brown nightingale who lived in the trees. But all the people saw the nightingale. The gardener saw her every day. He liked to listen to her singing. Her songs always made him shout, "Chee chee, chee chee, cheer up, cheer up." One day, the emperor was reading a book about his wonderful plains. The book said the garden is full of bells that tinkles really. The emperor smiled, but his next pain made him frown. It went on, but the nightingale song so sweeter than the bell. What a nightingale! Why haven't I heard this nightingale? Snapped the emperor. Bring it to sing the plains now. The palace servants never went into the garden. They didn't know anything about the nightingale, but they didn't dare tell the emperor. What's a nightingale? Where can we find it? They searched high and low. They looked under flowers and behind bushes. Spider can sing. In the end, they had to ask the gardener, "I can show you the nightingale," he said. "Follow me." They walked and walked. Suddenly, they heard a frog. The nightingale cried. The servant, "What music?" The gardener smiled. "No, that's a frog in the pond." He realized. A little later, they heard a loud moo. The nightingale sorted the sandals. Moo! What a voice! No, that's a cow in the field. The gardener told them he was trying not to laugh. In the end, they came to a tree. Just then the nightingale began to sing, chip, chip, chirp, chirp, such sweet music. When she finished, the seventh glad little bird the emperor wants you to sing in his palace. They say, such sweet music. Shh. My songs stood best out here among the trees, said the bird, but I will come. And she flew back to the palace with them. The emperor was surprised to see such a little brown bird. But when he sang, he was enchanted by her voice. She's not very pretty. Chip, chip, chirp, chirp. The emperor liked her voice so much, he ordered her to stay and sing to him every day. The emperor gave the nightingale the silver cane, but she missed living outside among the trees. Soon the little brown bird was famous. Even the emperor of Japan came to her to hear her sing. Chip, chip, chirp, chirp. What a sweet voice. One day, a big box arrived at the palace. Inside there was another nightingale. This one had sparkling golden feathers. Its eyes were made of rubies. What a beautiful bird! When you turn a key, it sang like the little brown bird will shut up. Cha-la-la! Although the tone was always exactly the same. Cha-la-la! The emperor was very happy. He was so happy. He forgot all about the little brown bird. She flew away and nobody noticed. The emperor played the golden nightingale every morning, cha-la-la, and every evening, cha-la-la, until one day, instead of singing, it went with sweet and care blue. something had broke inside. No one knew how to fix it. Now the emperor longed for the little brown bird, but no one could find her, not even the gardener. Then the emperor became sick. He lay in bed, staring sadly at his bird. His room was full of slides and shadows. The doctor said he was close to death. Suddenly, she threw off bird song. Fill the air. It was the real Nightingale. Cheer up, cheer up. She had found out the emperor was sick, so he had come back to sing for him. The sang so sweetly that the shadows seemed to faint. The emperor smiled and he began to get better. Cheer up, cheer up. Soon the emperor was well again. I'm sure the nightingale called me, he told. Please stay, he begged. The little bird, you can have a golden car and all the 7 you want. I'll throw away the golden bird. It's prefer to live outside among the trees. The nightingale replied, and he flew away. The emperor was very sad. He asked the gardener to plant a tree under his window. It will remind me of the nightingale, she said. The gardener watered the tree every day. It grew and grew. One day, the emperor heard something flutter past his window. He looked out. Cheer up! To his surprise, he saw two nightingales. They were building a nest in the tree, and when they sang, everyone in the palace smiled to hear them, the emperor most of all. The end.